Good with it. Hey, today I think it's gonna be special. I just had an idea. I really like a few minutes ago. So I did some shoes a while back for my boy. He raps in Memphis and everything. Tomorrow, my guy, my brother. I did some shoes for him, and it was like a purple, pinkish, black, and green thing. I know that sounds crazy, but I throw some pictures up here so y'all can see them. You know, all that. But yeah, but on the toe part, I did like it was kind of like a green theme or whatever, and it was like I put money symbols on there or whatnot, but I dripped it, and it kind of looked like a ghost type of slime deal. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna do a whole shoe like that. What I'm gonna do, most of the shoe gonna be green or whatever, like a normal type of green or whatnot. And then on the swoosh, I'm thinking I'm gonna do, since everybody loves Louis Vuitton, I might do like some Louis work on there or whatnot, and a lighter type of green, drip it, and had like the little ghosty thing to it. And then on the toe part, I got something special. So yeah, I think these more gonna be they're fat. You hear me? All right, these are the materials for the day. We're going with that green, Amazon green, olive green, Grinch green, and mint. Oh yeah, and one thing I like to do, especially when I'm working on like forces and stuff like that, the base coat, I like to add a little bit of that little adhesion promoter. Oh dang, my bad, y'all. A little adhesion promoter inside of the paint. If you can see, hold up. Yeah, for the base coat, that's what I like to do. You know, just the first like 1 or 2 layers. Just add that in, that give it a little extra bite. But yeah, that's how I like to do it. On Air Force Ones. I don't do it on every shoe, but like shoes with like that flat leather with like really no texture to it, that's what I like to do. Yeah, it just makes me feel more secure about my customs. Even though I know that, I mean, I've done hundreds of customs without, using that or whatever. It just, when people paying you hundreds of dollars to paint their shoes, you want to give them quality every time. And what better way to do that than, get paint additives and all that kind of stuff, scratch resistant seals, just so the stuff lasts as long as it can. But yeah, that's my piece on there. Let me get to the paint.
Already crawled in my future, then running my past. I got 'em pissed out why I got 'em so mad. Scratch me off the list, I'm not coming in last. Don't you second guess, I'm not going outside. Behind my back, talk about me and my pay bragging. Little you know, got that fight like a dragon. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all the drip and the fashion. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all the drip and the fashion. They didn't know I would come automatic. They want me gon' take me out like a sass. I come to my goals, I'm so close I can grab. Don't want me to go, but I know I can have it. Why you come around, guess you thought I forgot. All I see is clowns always claiming they got it. Love or hate me, make it clear so I can see. So many memories, they done got a hold of me. Got my life locked, feel I think I might not. For the right night, gotta keep a good shot. Gotta pay a lot if you wanna wear a lot. Count up a knot, I don't really say a lot. Show me what you bout, don't let the blunt go out. Gotta make it out, we gotta take charge now. I was in it, couldn't afford to let my guard down. From the beginning, I created me a hard sound. Let me know, I'm for sure it can go down. Taking lows and lows to year round. I was in it, couldn't afford to let my guard down. From the beginning, I created me a hard sound. I read the crowd in my future, then running my past. I got 'em pissed out why I got 'em so mad. Scratch me off the list, I'm not coming in last. Don't you second guess, I'm not going outside. Behind my back, talk about me and my pay bragging. Little you know, got that fight like a a dragon. We gon' get out through the dreams and the passion. She gon' check out all
So
the
now we
drip and the
finna drip it.
fashion.
But the thing is, about this drip, like always, we gonna come a little different with it. It's not gonna be like a regular, like real pronounced drip. You know what I'm saying? Like if I stenciled it off or if I did it by hand with a paintbrush. I wanted to keep that ghostly look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna airbrush it. First I'm gonna start off with the white, and then I'm gonna go to a light green, and then I'm gonna like give it hints of a darker green just to give it a little, you know, slimy, ghost-like look to it. So let's get it.
My effort. Can't you see my effort? Yeah. Better know I had to make a way in life to different situations. Why you make it complicated? Feel like you be trying to play me. Yeah, for me up, I like my dog to the street, babe. I won't give it up, I get my all on the beat, babe. She just wanna lay up in my bed, babe. But she ain't never been up in my bed. I gotta do better, I swear, don't you forget. Don't let all of my effort go unnoticed. Even let my effort go unnoticed, God bless. I keep going for X, feel like it's nothing bad. Eat my dinner for breakfast, got me going for sex. Soaking up all the blessings, angels all in my presence. Life ain't what it seems, you gotta live on. I can't plug up all my feelings, where the earphones. Bitch, we plotting up a million on a cell phone. Got me going through my songs like some hair on. Move on, gotta move on. If you understand me, better enhance it. Better in our panties, we don't need no panties. Baby, what it's gon' be, I ain't gotta demand it. All through my life, I had to fight, mentally demand it. I see the lights shining bright, the light, dancing. Memphis nights without recite, I never been to Kansas.
But I left a little bit of white in there.
Alright, just know I won't panic. Better know I had to make a way in life through different situations.
When you're trying to achieve this effect, you don't want to just go straight in with the color or whatnot. It's easier to blend it all together when you leave a little bit of the last color inside your airbrush.
Don't you forget, don't let all of
Just
my
a bit.
effort go unnoticed. Been through the storm in the rain, I got stains.
Yeah, we about to go in with this green screen and
They just gon' talk, but they don't know that I'm a stepper, man. Don't take me out, it just might end up forever, man. Refuse to fall, the mission to ball on all y'all wanna call this all. Sick of all these niggas acting like they win. Sick of all these niggas acting like they the realest. Yeah, she won't leave me long, she all in my DM. She want me to go in from the A and the PM. Make sure you find his hell on the inside too. You missed all the effort I gave to you. Yeah, might come off as smooth, he ain't really have a clue. Bitch, 2 up 2, nigga know what to do. Michael Jackson with the move. Yeah, beat, little B. I got time for your shit, mama beat it. Keep it going like this, I see you been effortless. Better know I had to make a way in life for different situations. Why you make it complicated? Feel like you be trying to play. Yeah, for me, if I like my dog to the street, babe. I won't give it up, I get my all on the beat, babe. She just wanna lay up in my bed, babe. She ain't never been up in my bed.
I got the Louis Vuitton on there.
I swear, don't you forget.
Yeah.
Don't let all of my effort go unnoticed.
But I didn't want to show me putting on the stencils. It would have been redundant. I just showed you how to put the other stencils on. So we trying to, not have y'all here too long. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what we looking like. Now with these stencils, I think what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna go over them with like with the olive green, because it's dark enough, but it's not too dark. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like if I hit it with a black or something like that, even though the black probably will be cool, but I feel like it's gonna flow better with the ghost theme, with having another shade of green on there instead of just that harsh, prominent black. So, let's get it.
I come through 2-tone drill with the long blue strip. Been through a whole lot of shit this year. I sit back and watch my life just shift. Young nigga turn like the mic in here. So many losses, but so many wins. Baby, I'm cautious, I flow with the wind. Tossing up out, then I do it again. Walking, not talking, I do it again. 2-tone drill with the long blue strip. Been through a whole lot of shit this year. I sit back and watch my life just shift. Young nigga turn like the mic in here. So many losses, but so many wins. Baby, I'm cautious, I flow with the wind. Tossing up out, then I do it again. Walking, not talking, I do it again. We coming authentic. So many win with the losses in it. Gotta be prepared if you really winning. Got me with the birds, got me with the pitch. What's the word flying on you bitches? Yeah, I got the urge and the intuition.
So, I think this is my first, like, all green shoe. Well, mostly predominantly green shoe, because it ain't all green, it's white too. But, yeah, this is my first one. And, I'm pretty satisfied with them. They came out almost exactly how I pictured them to. And, it was some stuff, like, along, like, while I was doing it, I was like, dang, this would be hard. Like, I'll do it in another video. But it's stuff I wanted to do with them, but, you know what I'm saying, because of time and, you know, I didn't explain all that in the beginning. I ain't gonna go through all that. But, let y'all check them out. Ew. Yes, sir. So y'all kind of clean, you know. I ain't gonna lie, I really like them. I need to do me some. Yeah, you see, I went on and threw the Louis on there and everything. Getting a little surprise or whatever, little sharp teeth and all that. You know, I kind of wanted to keep them like simple, but to an extent. You know, get some good gradients in there, different shades of green and all of that. You see the other one, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, it's something quick and simple, kind of easy. But that's it though, you know. Now I gotta move on to the next ones, cause I got something planned, and I think it's gonna be that fire. So raw. I see. One last thing, the shoes I just did for sale. So if you want them, hit me up on Instagram, DM me. You know what I'm saying? We can discuss the little prices or whatever. And also the last ones, the ones in the other video for sale too. So hit me up if you want them. Another thing, you know, I be forgetting to say, you know, you gotta go through it. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Go and subscribe, join the squad. You know what I mean? We doing big things. You hear me? But
oh yeah, blood, sweat, and tears, shit. Focus on the road ahead. Gotta multiply the bread. They talking like they know the kid. I'd rather get a load in. Make sure you don't lose focus. Be about the ones who bogus. That's why I say you gotta.